Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening forms. Google.com and creating a new form, select blank quiz or a relevant template. Once done, open Settings and toggle Make this a quiz so you can assign points and set automatic grading. This defines how results are delivered. Make sure to collect respondent emails and decide whether to restrict responses to your organization because that controls access and identity. Finally, pick default question types to speed entry and set a consistent point scale for the quiz. Now you construct the body. Add multiple choice, short answer, checkbox, or drop-down questions, and immediately open the answer key to assign correct answers and point values. As you continue, use sections and go to section based on answer to create adaptive paths or review branches. This improves flow and tailoring. Also add images or videos to questions where context helps, enable response validation for format rules, and include feedback for right or wrong responses so students learn as they submit. Finish by previewing the entire quiz and running a complete test submission to verify scoring, feedback, and branching. Once satisfied, use Send to share by link, email, or embed. Choose Release Grade Timing in settings so students see results when you want. Monitor the Responses tab and link to Google Sheets for detailed analysis and exportable scores. If something goes wrong, check sharing permissions and domain restrictions, clear your browser cache, or duplicate the form to recover correct settings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.